Best Online Digital Marketing Certifications 2024. In digital marketing, staying ahead is key to success. As we enter 2024, demand for skilled digital marketers is rising. So, certifications are more valuable than ever. The best online digital marketing certifications in 2024 teach the latest trends and tools. They also cover new strategies. Why digital marketing certification matters. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead in digital marketing is vital. An online digital marketing certification can help. It suits both seasoned and new marketers. It will give you the latest insights, tools, and strategies. A certification gives you a deep knowledge of social media, SEO, and content marketing. It also boosts your professional credibility. Top online digital marketing certifications for 2024. Google Digital Marketing Certification. Google's program covers Google Ads and analytics in depth. This certification can greatly boost your credibility. It shows you are skilled in key online marketing tools. HubSpot Content Marketing Certification. It's perfect for aspiring content marketers. It covers everything from content creation to promotion and analysis. Facebook Blueprint Certification. It's a must-have for social media marketers. It trains you to use Facebook and Instagram ads. It helps you optimize your campaigns and reach your target audience. Digital Marketing Institute Certification. It certifies in digital strategy, social media, and SEO. These top certifications can give you an edge in your digital marketing career. Key benefits of pursuing an online digital marketing certification: upgrade your skills, get vital, cutting-edge skills for success in today's competitive market. Increase your marketability. A certified skill boosts your appeal to employers. It proves your expertise and dedication. Network with experts. Many certification programs connect you with industry leaders and peers. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing in an online digital marketing certification is a smart move. It can boost your career. The right certification will boost your skills. It will also mark you as a leader in digital marketing. Enroll in a top certification program today. It will elevate your career in 2024.